Decided I got pain with my hip. Went to the doctors, got referred to the specialist at Barlborough. Got a date 2 weeks after I'd been to the doctors. Turned up to see the consultant probably 3-4 weeks later. Was accepted that the hip was worn and was ready for replacement. So I think it was within 4 to 5 weeks I was then admitted, taken in 6 o'clock in the morning, had the hip replaced, full replacement, and probably discharged about 6 o'clock in the evening, home for 7 o'clock I would say. When you walk through the door, it's very settling. You just get taken to your bed for the day, and then the consultant came, saw me, and that was it really, into prep and straight through. Being back at home in the same day, to me, is the bonus. I don't know about other people, but I don't want to be in hospital for any longer than necessary. So yeah, the fact that you could actually get it done in that time span was brilliant. I would certainly recommend Barlborough to anybody who is looking for treatments that are done there, definitely. I know, yeah, it was brilliant.